Hello students, I'm here today again for a video tutorial for 7th grade math. Today's topic is commission and gratuities. So we're going to begin by talking about commission. What is a commission? A commission is an amount of money that someone earns that is a percent of a sale. So someone earns commission based on a percent of a sale. So let's take a look at what commission examples can look like. So let's look at this first example I've come up with for us. A car salesman receives a 10% commission on sales. If he sells a car for $22,500, what commission amount does he earn? Well, let's think. Percent. We have to convert our percents to decimals, and we talked about in the last tutorial that these percents have to move that decimal 2 places left. So 10% is 0.10. We're going to multiply our percent times the total price. So the sales, or the sale of the car, was $22,500. So we're multiplying 0.10 times 22,500. We can multiply that and we get an answer of $2,250. Now, just a real quick review. When we talk about 10%, have you learned any shortcuts about calculating 10% of something? When we're calculating 10% of something, we can sometimes think of it as just dropping the last digit or moving the decimal back 1 place. So that makes 10% of 22,500, move the decimal back 1 place, we get 2250. So without a calculator, we can calculate 10% of any number. Move the decimal 1 place back. All right, so the commission amount that the salesman would earn is $2,250 on the sale of this car. All right, let's look at number 2. A lady sells jewelry from a company, and she earns 25% commission on sales. If she sells $585 in jewelry this month, what does she earn in commission? Well, again, we're talking about this percent. We're going to convert it to a decimal, move the decimal 2 places left. That is 0.25. So 25% times the total 585, we get a commission amount of $146.25. Again, we just multiplied the decimal. 0.25 times 585, the total. So her commission, or the amount she'll earn based upon her jewelry sales, is 25% of 585, which is $146.25. So this is how we calculate commission. It's a very simple multiplication with decimals. Okay, gratuity can be a little trickier. You really have to read carefully. So let's talk about gratuity. What is gratuity? Well, gratuity is talking about a tip. So like if you go to a restaurant and you leave a tip for your waitress at the end. Or if you go to get a haircut and you leave a tip for your beautician because they did a really great job and you appreciate their hard work to make you beautiful. So we leave a tip. So let's talk about tips or gratuities. A tip is something that someone gives, and it is a percent in addition to a price. Someone gives a gratuity as a percent in addition to a price. So if I'm giving a gratuity at a restaurant, I'll already have my price of my meal. The gratuity is a percent that I give in addition to the regular price. So I take what I pay for my food and I'm adding a percent to that. So notice the word addition here. When we're dealing with the gratuities, we're usually going to be adding. So let's take a look at some gratuity examples. First example, a restaurant bill. The bill is $35. We want to leave a tip of 25%. We are in a really fine restaurant. We have had excellent service, and we think it's appropriate to leave a 25% tip. How do we calculate that? Again, we're going to multiply this as a decimal, 0.25 times 35. 0.25 times 35 is $8.75. This is our tip. 25% tip would be $8 $1.75. Now, you're going to have to read the questions carefully, because if the question asks, how much would a 25% tip be? A 25% tip would be $8.75. But if the question asks, how much will your total payment be if you leave a 25% tip, then you're going to have to go back and do that addition. So if my tip is $8.75 and my meal was $35, I'm going to add the meal price plus the tip to see that my total bill that I'm going to pay is $43.75. So again, I want you to read the questions really carefully here. Does it ask how much is the tip, or does it ask how much is the total bill? You're going to see questions that will ask it either way. All right, let's look at question 2. You go to the beautician and you get a hair color and a cut, and the total price is $65. Well, you want to leave a 15% tip. So how much is that? How much is a 15% tip? Well, you're going to multiply 0.15 times the price, $65, to calculate $9.75 will be a 15% tip. So if the question says, how much is a 15% tip? $9.75 is a 15% tip. If the question says, how much will the total be for a hair color and cut with a 15% tip? So if you're giving the tip on top of that, we would add that to get our total amount that we're paying. 65 plus $9.75 is $74.75. So that would be the total bill that we pay. All right, I got one more example for you. A restaurant bill is $45.75. We are going to leave an 18% gratuity. By the way, if you go to a good restaurant and you have a group of 10 or more people, the restaurant automatically adds on an 18% gratuity to your bill. So if your group is already in a group of 10 or more, the gratuity will be added onto your check. That's a good thing to know. So if you're going and paying, you don't have to calculate that. The tip is already on there. Okay? Anyway, so let's say that your bill is $45.75 and you're going to pay an 18% gratuity. This is a very common choice for how much to pay in a gratuity. So let's multiply the decimal, 0.18, times the bill, $45.75, and we get a longer decimal, 8.235. Again, we just want this to be in dollars and cents, so I want to go to the nearest cent. That would be 2 places after the decimal. So I take a look at that third number. It's a 5. If it's 5 or greater, it rounds the number up. It's 5 or greater, so I'm going to round the 3 up to a 4. My tip or gratuity is $8.24. So if the question says, how much will be an 18% gratuity on this meal, your answer is $8.24. If the question says, how much will the total bill be with an 18% gratuity, then you're going to add it. $45.75 is our original price of our meal. We're adding our gratuity of $8.24, and we get a total bill of $53.99. So our total bill would be $53.99. I hope this helps you to understand a little bit of the difference between commission and gratuities. For commission, we are just calculating a percent of a sale. For gratuities, we calculate a percent and then we add that to a price. Good luck!